iamdaysee here, and welcome back to another travel vlog. So we're currently here, guys, at Old Maya Port. We're off to Malapascua. I'm with my BYC fam again. That's Antoy. That's di na lang ako sa sound, pero chick. Padumi sa Malapascua, and we're staying there for 2 days, and going to have an outreach program with the kiddos of Malapascua, and wala lang, mag-outing me with my BYC friends, hinana guys. And aside from that, basta mag-enjoy lang me guys. So join me with this adventure and let's go!
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart.
Alright these friends, we're now off to Malapascua. So ang biyahe na guys from Maya going to Malapascua will take for like 30 minutes. So let's see guys. Kasi nag-abot naman dito kay mga siguro me. Thank you Lord for the good weather, for the good weather.
Something about how we dance in the moonlight, that look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving, we come alive.
Alright guys friends, so we're now here in Malapascua guys. We're currently waiting for the barangay captain or the coast guard na to. So gitawag ni Sir John, and we'll be staying at Villa Sandra. Ato may magstay for 2 nights, and mag-outreach program tomorrow. Yes, and karon guys kay nagwait lang mi diri sa port. Nice lang port guys, kay gamay ra siya na port pero limpyo. This is the Villa Sandra Guest House. Hi. No stupid allowed, Antoy.
Pwede pa din si friend dito.
Hello guys.
Hi mga ka-Daisy!
Days friends.
Day ha?
Days friends.
Hey Days friends! We are here in Malapascua, and okay, you know,
About how we dance in the moonlight, that look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving, we come alive in the nighttime.
Because it's time of lockdown, you know, they begin like
Pusi! Your food is there, oh! Hello! Kaon ka? No! Ayaw lang, yung taga lang. Okay na siya. What are you doing there? Huh? You're trying to steal my food, huh? And you! No! That's my food! That's my food! Hello!
Mukbang daw mo.
Mukbang me! Oh, here! Oy! Oh, awa! Hala, marang nakakaula ka no! Natukan! Hala! Oh my God! Awa mo na dira kay kawatan kay ka! Natukan na ka! Inom dito tubig! Ano, natukan yun siya! Uy, bakbaki!
ayaw, kinagat niya ako kanina, oh!
Wala ko kabaw na siya nagkikaon. Ikaon na ka, ni?
Tubag kung gani ka na niya. Mutubag rin. Battery!
Karon guys, kay kuan day mi dire mag-ritual. Say tawagan ni Sir John?
Hape.
Hape.
Yeah, for cleansing, for your mind, for your body, and then you can connect to the nature directly. So if you focus your attention, what do you like, in good intention for your life, so you can see your future, what is happened to be, and what is the past.
Okay. I'm excited. So let's try, guys.
Inhale, then I blow to your nose, and then pull out from your mouth. And then after I blow in your nose, again, you can makaluha gid mo ani. Makaluha gid mo ani, pero After sa pag-blow na ko 2 times, just relax and meditate. Focus in your attention and listen the music.
Later.
Alright guys, friends, so we're off to the beach guys, kaya maligo sila. Ako, di pa ko sure if maligo ko. I think dili lang ko maligo, mag-call lang ko, mag-picture lang ko. Tomorrow na ko maligo. And I'm with Medyo Boy.
Hi guys.
Nagpabilin namin sa ano guys. Nag-una naman sila. So kami nang nabilin. Daghan kayo og mga resort diri, ang mga hotel na available diri sa Malapascua. I think dili pa masiguro tanan sad na nag-open na. Kaya nakadungog ni Sir John. Kung na daw, gamay pa ang gi-allow na mag-open, mag-operate. Alright guys friends, so nami diri sa park guys sa may Blanco kono ni siya. And nice kayo ang sunset diri. Tanawa. Sunset kiss! Charot! Look at that sunset guys. Nice kayo ang sunset diri sa Ponsad Malapascua. So guys, maraming picture-picture. But lang, manab ako picture-picture na. Wala na good ang sun guys. Ni babay na siya. Say bye. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow again. Alright guys, so pabalik na ko sa ilaha kay naligo sila guys. Okay, dili lang ko maligo kay kapoy man oy. Tomorrow na lang ko maligo. First day is very nice. And naka-experience ko sa katong activity na mo pag ganina. We're here in their market guys. Kaya namalit sila og fruits and mga buko kay nganong magpagatas gyud ding mga uban diri.
Guys, lami kayo, tamis. Patanamang tamis. So kung tamis ang buko, alam na.
Mas tamis pa sa imong gugma. La 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 la.
Guys, super lamig. Tamis kayo ang buko sa Malapascua. So,
Yan ang
when
mga
you get
tamis
here,
mo.
ha? Tamis siya siguro dahil sa soil nila.
Dahil ano, dagat.
Dahil sa
Malapit
soil
sa
nila
dagat.
kung malapit sa dagat. So, this island, I would say, it's still virgin. So, marami pang dapat i-explore sa island na to. And one thing to explore is their buko juice. Super matamis. Unlike sa buko sa Cebu, juice maalat.
Fresh
Charot.
Rudoy, lurot man dayon. Grabe na masupsup.
Ang bastos ng word mo.
Duga-duga.
Og buko juice.
Feel ko dugay-dugay na siya wakasup-sup. Og buko juice. Ay nako, Daisy girl.
Duy, yun eh. Papanay mo. ASMR to day.
Hurot kayo ha.
Alright guys friends, so I'm back here in my room guys. Sila guys, kung matulog na sila tulog na sila. Ako kay mag-fix pa ko sa mga gamit kay so katag. Anyways guys, I think I will end my vlog here. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you're already subscribed, please hit the notification bell below so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also guys, please make sure to follow my other social media accounts. I have Instagram and Facebook. My Instagram is at iamdaysee and my Facebook page is daysee. See you tomorrow guys. Bye!
I